the wandering heart that strayed so far from Thee. Through restless days and faithless nights, I walked in vanity. Yet still your patient voice I heard through silence soft and mild, calling me from distant past to come home as your child. Receive me